So we have the sun filtered through some clouds and it's hot yet again. That much has not changed and it won't change here over the next several days. 86 degrees as our temperatures are jumping up well through the 80s already. That's the current temperature, of course, here in Frederick, Westview Promenade, and the dew point reading is at 73 degrees. Now, yesterday we had some impressive storms rolling across the area. Checking out a few of those photos again from Sherry Holmes going down. It looks like I-81 to the south. Looking back to the east, you can see all of that heavy rainfall associated with this storm. A pretty good view of that from Martinsburg. And this is on the other side of the storm in Charlestown from Erica Wetzel. Again, this is the shelf cloud starting to make its way toward her direction. You can see just how dark and ominous the clouds look. Some of the rain right behind that. And yeah, they were impressive. They dropped a lot of rain and cooled things off for many yesterday across the eastern panhandle, but we have no such relief today. It's again jumping through the 80s, hitting the 90s in Frederick and Charlestown as we speak. Heat index values, again, they're up there into the 90s, and we will have a few spots hitting the 100-degree mark or slightly higher than that today. As yes, we have clouds. There are a few storms trying to fire in southern PA, but all in all, it is relatively quiet, and it's going to be across much of the viewing area today, as there's going to be some drier air in place, and a stalled front to our north is lifting away, and that was the trigger mechanism for storms yesterday. So we'll mainly keep those storms along the mountains here today. We'll expect more activity tomorrow before another dry day on Thursday, and it's looking like hot and humid conditions will hold on until Saturday. That's when a cold front could swing through the area. Now again, most storms today will be confined along the mountains. It is worth mentioning, much like yesterday, that a few of those storms that do develop could end up turning severe. But again, all in all, the storm coverage today is going to be relatively low with no front nearby and some drier air mixing in. So there's that development mostly through far western Maryland back into West Virginia. A lot of us here in the four-state region should stay very high and dry all the way through the overnight tonight. Now, as we roll into Wednesday with a little influx of tropical moisture and a disturbance passing by to our south and west, we will have much more scattered convection, more storm coverage on your Wednesday afternoon and evening. So it's going to almost be like yesterday out there on Wednesday when we have those numerous storms rolling through, but today will be almost the opposite of that with rather dry conditions that will be sticking with us. And also, because of that slightly drier air that's in place, well, the heat index is not going to be as bad. Yes, air temperatures will be hitting close to 95 in several spots today, so that will be a few degrees warmer than yesterday, but that heat index should not be as bad with lower humidity levels in place. So we'll just have the small minor changes each day through the entire week, and then as we roll into the weekend, that cold front arrives with more rainfall and our temperatures will drop back down into the 80s.